Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CNC plasma cutter as well as how to export files from Onshape as a DXF, so that way you can actually cut parts out on the cutter. So first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to your sketch, right? It's got to be a 2D sketch, not a 3D sketch, just a 2D sketch, so that way you can actually import it onto the plasma cutter. Also, the sketch needs to be from the top plane origin. If it's not on the top plane, on the front plane, it'll warp and it'll do some funky stuff on the plasma cutter, so just stick to the top. So you're going to right click on sketch 1. It's going to give you the drop down of export as a DXF DWG. You want to click on that. That's going to take you to here, where you're going to have a file name, you're going to name it, right? You want to give it a good name, or anything you choose, right? Doesn't really matter. DXF, alright, now you export. That is going to give you this file here. You're going to click on that, show in folder. From there, you're going to take the file, the simp, and you're going to bring it down to the USB drive. So it's right here, and there you go. It's as simple as that when it comes to exporting any part that you want on a DXF.
Okay, so now that you have your file and you're ready to cut, you come over here to this thing called Sheet Cam. Right? You click on that and it's going to open. And I'm just going to click OK. So, to give it a second to load up, now you're going to be brought to here. Right? From here, in order, what you need to do, you need to come over here to File, and you're going to run over to Import, wherever that may end up being. They're going to import a drawing. So now you're going to go onto that jump drive that you made. And from there, you're going to find down, you're going to find your file, and you're going to scroll down until you find it. So here's our file. Click on it, and you're going to open it. That's going to give you that. So here it is. Here's the part. Now, what you're going to do here from this part, you're going to come up here to Operation. You're up here on the top. You're going to click on it, go down, Plasma Cut. Now it's going to give you this option where you're going to choose. Now this is what varies, alright? You're going to choose either an inside, outside, or no offset, and that varies between what you're doing. If you're doing any like parts, you're going to want to do it outside, right? This is your preference. Layer is the model skip visible, and then you're not going to change. Actually, this will be the metal. So whatever this changes depends on your metal thickness. So if you have 10 gauge, if you have the regular tip, what type of metal, all that kind of stuff. And then after that, you don't really need to mess with any of these settings. You're going to press OK, and now you're ready. Now, from here, it's as simple as running over to File, up here in the top, Run Post Processor. Once you're there, you'll be here. It's going to name it as an NGC. And when you have an NGC, you're going to have your name. You're going to press Save. Now, this is a file that you can actually cut. So you're going to close out of this. You're going to come down to this application, P2 Plasma. Click on and open that. So now, here you are with, this is the screen we should get to. This is the command CNC P2 Plasma, right? Now, you're going to want to home all of this, right? So with the plasma cutter, you would simply lift the tip up by using page up. Press shift for it to go faster. And then from there, you would home X and you'd home Y. Once it's homed, you would zero it all. And once it's zeroed, then you can open. You're going to press open, you take it to here, you're going to scroll down until you find your file. It's not here because it should be in here in NGC files. Okay, it doesn't really matter, right? Just for the demonstration, you're going to here, and this is where you're at. You're going to want to make sure you have enough room on the plasma cutter to do your cut. So once you're ready for all that, you would press C-stop active, make sure that's off, and then you would simply press run, and then press continue, and then I'll start what you're cutting. And that's the tutorial on how to use CNC plasma cutter.